Okay, assalamualaikum. Um, there's no. So let's see if the stream is up and running. Come on, there's. Because last time it didn't record the video properly. Let's see if the stream is up and running. It's looking good. I heard the audio. Changed the audio levels a bit. That sounds good. Video looks fine. There's no freezing. Yesterday it froze up on us. Okay. It is outputting in 1440p. That planet looks so nice on the video. That's crazy. Because they're using the VP9 for it. If I go down to 1080, and it'll look. Oh, they're also using VP9 for it. That's really nice. Oh, okay. Cool. Because usually they use the AV codec instead, and that one sucks. So let's see. Does it give me my YouTube one here as well? That's cool. Okay. Checking Rumble. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Audio's good. It's not freezing. 1, 2. Okay. Seems our checklist is good. Oh, sending live notification. Let's do that. Create a post. Here we are gonna say go here, click that, copy the URL. Where did it go? Day 04 stream. And today we are going to be talking about the ad that I uploaded yesterday and how that has come on. Okay. Copying that, posting it there, and then on Facebook as well. Post. Okay. We should be good then. So let's go here. So yesterday we ended with 14 raw viewers, or at least 9 unique viewers. Cool. That's crazy that that many people even came in because the stream was just frozen. Okay, today is day 4. Okay, then we want goals for today. So today's goal is just going to be working on, make sure everything's good. Okay, is going to be, I'm a bit sad that last time it didn't work out properly, that the video just froze up. So I want to make sure everything is going nicely. Looks to be. Okay, so yesterday what we did was, let's talk about yesterday. We ended up making one ad based on Alex Hormozi's book, ACQ Advertisement Handbook. And we used, what was the name of the ad? I think it was You Will Never. That was the name of the ad. An example is right up here. You will never pass $1 million in a year. And in mimicking that, we created this ad here, which basically says, there are 3 things your mom tells you off about and why you will never earn her respect without changing. And we're basically trying to sell our shorts, Islamic shorts. So for that, we made that ad and we posted it on Facebook posts and then boosted it via the ad manager. So what happened is pretty funny. a lot of people who are racist basically came out and started commenting on the ad and DMing me. So I found that pretty funny that when I was doing a paid ad for it, I was like, why are they doing this? And I'm like, oh, the page is called Islamic Shorts. So that's why they were doing that. And I basically told a bunch of them off and blocked a few. I shouldn't have blocked them. I should have just hidden the comments. But let me show you guys. And one person actually was Muslim and they liked the shorts, so they messaged me to basically let them know when they come out. His name is, yeah, right here. Yep. So hopefully we got our first buy for $6, but we'll see. I'll have to message him later. Where do I go and see the ad? So ads manager. Right, so like I want to see the ad. Oh, notifications. It should take me there. No, that's the view results. Notification. This one should bring me to the page. Maybe. It's taking a while though. View the ad. Yeah, here you go. It's so small though for some reason. Yeah, so this is the ad, right? Two people were laughing at it. Or Spunky Clinton. And one more dude. I don't know who else it was. So it was basically racist comments like these. They're just GTFOH. Get the out of here, I think. And if you buy 3 pair right now, you get to meet Allah and Muhammad. You know, similar to Laura and Hardy. I don't know who those two are. But you can see a lot of them were racist comments. Even Papa over here, you know? He seems like a chill dude. Why, Papa? Why you gotta say this? Only works in Dearborn, Michigan. Doug Warren said Islam is a cult dominated by yada yada. Yeah. So like for this one, I would just hide it. How hiding works, it remains visible to the person because I might want to use this later on and put it into another ad or something like that. Because one of the purposes of this project is actually to fund an organization, the charity organization called Authentic Ilm Mission, right? And what they do is they do dawah, which is basically calling to Islam to the US people, right? And they're building a center in Dallas, and I want to fund that because you see how people have misconceptions or they're angry against Islam for no particular reason. Honestly, I had one DM against the guy and he was just posting memes, very insulting memes, by the way. Inshallah, Allah will guide him. But these people, they really don't know anything about Islam, right? And you get comments like these, which is just so wrong. And we need to be helping these people genuinely and guiding them and helping them understand what Islam is, right? And that organization, which is Authentic Ilm Mission, they are building a center in Dallas basically to do that project, right? They're going to be helping people understand how to talk to exactly these types of people who are racist or against Islam and how to give them an understanding of Islam and how to bring them closer to it, to the one truth of Islam. So this is actually a really good ad to find examples of those people that need our help, right? Like Doug Warren, Jerry Klein, Thomas Chill, Spunky Clinton, that's a weird name, and Sean Ortman. And I only say it's a weird name because I think it's, I don't think that's his real name. If it is, I apologize. But yeah, one of the things I was thinking was, oh no, I didn't get any messages about any sales, right? But I'm thinking that I might just turn what just happened here into an ad on like TikTok or something like that. Because I feel TikTok is probably more what's the word? Pro-Muslim, if that makes sense. Because the Palestine stuff started over there, right? Free Palestine. So I might do that. So I actually boosted it again so that I might get more comments like these. It's unfortunate that people have to comment like this. But yeah. I don't know who Laura and Hardy are. So that was the result of yesterday's post. A lot of rage from some people who don't understand Islam, and one person who was interested in it, and one person who said that, what did he say? Not available, which is correct, and that's what we're going to be fixing today. Today we are going to fix that website. Where is it? So this is the website that we have. All right. And our goal today is to fix this up and start getting orders in. Let me write that out. Same goals as yesterday. Really, the number one issue that we have right now is the website's not working. And the number two issue is that we don't have enough advertisement going on. A lot of rage comments. And I was worried about the rage comments because I was like, oh no, what am I gonna do? Nobody's gonna want to go onto the page or stuff like this, right? But they're actually really useful to generate examples of exactly why we're doing this. Of people who need dawah. One potential buyer. One guy said not available anymore. So these are two guys that I will probably reach out to and try and sell on the shorts. Work on the websites. And so that is one of the reasons why I'm going to be not deleting comments. I, in a rush, deleted the first few comments because they were just heinous, right? I should have instead hidden them, like I said before. So if you go back to Facebook, where is it? Yeah, right here. So comments like this one, I should have just hidden them and then used them in an ad I'm going to make later on, right? To promote that organization and maybe get people to buy the shorts or then donate directly, which is even better. Because 50% of the profits from these shorts are going to be going to that organization and we're going to be donating that to them. Come on. Why, Papa? Why? Papa is basically Gramps in Southern. Let me make sure. Is calling an old man Papa offensive? I don't think so. Yeah. Why, Papa? Why? Okay. And don't know who Laura and RDR. If anyone did them wrong, Allah will make it right on the day of judgment. With fairness and mercy. I'm not sure. I can't say that that is F as an F, but I'll just leave it. I don't even want to hide it, like, whatever. And okay. So I think the next ad we're going to make is going to be based off of this interaction. So let me type that out a bit. Yeah. Promote, aim, and or the shorts. Get people to buy to help Dallas and decrease hate. Because Dallas is actually a really great city. There was also like what was it? Invisible People. There's this channel on YouTube, Invisible People, and they did a video on Dallas recently, right? Where they basically talked about how Dallas solved homelessness, right? And I didn't even know about that until like yesterday, or I think today in the morning. That would be more accurate. The guy goes to basically an organization in Dallas that's solving homelessness, and they're doing it pretty well, and they're working with the city. So it's a pretty good video watch if you guys want to see it. So let me see if I can put it in the chat. Yep. And let me do a stream check real quick. Checking 1, 2, 3. Checking 1, 2, 3. Okay, delay's also not bad. Audio sounding good. Fix that. So yeah, I do recommend going to watch that video. It was a nice overview of how Dallas solved homelessness. Because the people here are genuinely good people. So that's all for the updates since yesterday. And now it's probably less drama. It's more working on stuff. And I will be taking a break in how many minutes? In like 10 minutes. So what we are going to work on is the website. That is our number one goal today. And what does it mean to work on the website, right? Means fix up the page, let people buy shorts. Yeah, that's about it for now. I'm not sure what that sound is from. If anybody knows, I'd appreciate you letting me know. I've never heard it before. Okay, so let's start doing that. For our website, we are using System.io, and a great thing about them, if you don't know, is that they have a really good pricing offer. Sorry, really good pricing levels. Really good tiers for your plan. Yeah, tiers for that you can choose. And at their freemium model, they basically let you do a whole lot genuinely, right? For free. The only reason I'm at startup is because I needed more sales funnel steps to test some things, as well as allow more people onto the system. But if you're just starting out, this is like completely free. You can make a website and be up and running with sales, right? I recommend this System.io. Let me put that in the chat. Not this one. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Don't need that. Don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need that. I'll deal with this guy later. And then I was just calling you Gramps affectionately. That's all. And why do you believe in a make-believe god Allah from a moronic man named Allah in Arabic means the one and only God. It is the same God you and I believe in. Muhammad Sallallahu is not a moronic man. He was the savior of humanity because he brought the message of Islam as a prophet. Anything else? In Arabic, Christians use that word when referring to God. I don't want to write Jesus. I really don't like that they believe Jesus is the Son of God, because it's a lie. Rather than my methodology. Bismillah. Okay. A bit busy, so we'll respond more later. Okay. So let's do the website first. Oh, now I know what it is. It's this thing. So this is where. Yeah. Interesting. So it's Facebook that's sending me the notification sounds. That's pretty funny. Okay. Let's make this better. So how are we going to do that? Well, what we need is a sizing chart. A carousel like this, which is pretty good. We're going to put our images here. Price sizing here. We don't have reviews, so we're probably going to remove that for now. And yeah, we're going to simplify this quite a bit. So one thing I like to do, which is not a good habit, is to create duplicates. Maybe simplified, right? If I go here, it'll show me that page. So now we're going to edit the page. Let's go under construction. This one can be removed. That can also be removed. Oh, why is this not? Oh, probably because of this image. Okay. And what is going on? So I'll make sure it's okay. And how do I put this at the top? Okay, that's what was doing it. That's interesting. Oh, there's a carousel element. That's nice. What's this? Physical product. Not like that. How do I use this? So I go to the gears, display quantity, desktop mobile. Is there like a help button that you guys have? Please choose a physical product in the step settings page. Okay. If I save this, in the Step settings. The currency settings. This is an example. Please choose a physical product in the step settings page. System.io steps setting page. Okay, I'll be right back after I do my prayers. So give me a moment. What is this? I was getting a bit cold, so I put on my jacket. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Check. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Check. Testing 1, 2. Okay. That'll be a bit annoying, but I need to do those checks because last time it didn't work. Okay. So all videos editor. So I need a tutorial on this basically. So let's go search up a tutorial and do that. System.io, making a physical product.
I'm going to show you how to create and sell physical products using System.io. We'll cover the entire process, starting with creating your product and then setting up a sales funnel to take orders. Let's get started. First, let's create the product itself. From your dashboard, navigate to the Assets tab and click on Physical Products. This is where all your physical products will be listed. Since my list is empty,
Let me do that. Assets, physical products, halal shorts, Islamic shorts.
click Create to add a new one. This takes you to the product creation page. Let's walk through these fields. You'll need to enter the product's name and the description. Next is the SKU, or stock keeping unit. This is a unique code you assign to your product for inventory tracking. You can just click here and it will be automatically generated for you. Under product tax, you can set a tax rate. The tax behavior menu lets you specify if this tax is added at checkout or included in the product price. Then, set the currency you want to sell in and the price for the product. The weight field
For me, I think, what is Texas? Sales tax 8.25. Base and then local range. $8.25, I guess. 10, I don't know. What is this exactly?
menu you assign to your product for inventory tracking. You can just click here and it will be automatically generated for you. Under product tax, you can set a tax rate. The tax behavior menu lets you specify if this tax is added at checkout or included in the product price. Then, set the currency you want to sell in and the price for the product. The weight field is important for calculating shipping costs in case you plan to configure shipping for this product. In the inventory section, you can choose to limit the stock for this product. If you check this box, you can enter the total quantity available. The shipping section has an option to disable shipping fees for this product. This is useful if you're offering free shipping or if the item doesn't require shipping. To keep things simple, I'll keep this one disabled. Finally, in the media section, you can upload your product images.
And I need to get that image from before, these two. And we'll put them there as well. Where's the other one? Seems the other one didn't get uploaded. I think that's good. Those two should be fine. Okay. Does have colors. Should name, size. Let me see what it was. I have it on my other laptop, so give me a moment. Come on, what's up? You gotta sync your devices, so let's do that. Settings, linked devices. Hmm. It's not there. Let me just try. Okay, that works. You can just use the QR code twice. Looking good. Okay. So now, oh, what? No, it doesn't. Oh, it's still syncing. So I have to go to my phone. Ah, okay. There's the size chart. So there is small, medium, large, extra large, extra large, and XX extra large. They don't have any difference. And color is the other option. We have black and we have white. Simple options. Save that. And let's continue with the video.
High quality images are essential for good conversion rates, so be sure to add them here. This next section is crucial for products that come in different versions, like sizes or colors. In the options section, check the box that says this product has options. Let's create an option. For the option name, I'll enter color. Under option values, I'll add green, red, and blue. You can add as many values as you need. I could also click add another option to add size with values like S, M, and L. Now, here's the powerful part. As you add these options and values, System.io automatically generates all the possible combinations in the variants section below. Here, you can see each unique variant listed, like the green shirt, the red shirt, and so on. For each individual variant, a unique SKU will be auto-generated but can be edited. You can also override the price by entering a specific variant price. For example, maybe a red shirt costs more than the blue one. You can also manage the stock limit for each specific variant. Once your product and its variants are created, it's time to sell it. To do this, you need a sales funnel. Inside your funnel, go to your order form step. In the page settings, scroll down to the choose offer type section and
So product, go to the funnel, and then configuration. Okay, so we save this. we go to our funnel, sales funnel, this one, landing page. And then what tab is he on? Configuration. Maybe I need to be here. What? Sell in US dollar. Test. If I go here, configuration, don't really care about that. So why is this showing up here but not there? What type of page is it? Edit page, sell a t-shirt, order form. That may be why. So if I go to order form, yeah, see, that's where it is. I add a step and call it Islamic shorts order form. And it is a order form type. And then I choose a template. Do I have to? And I'll just select this one because it looks as close to mine as it could. Order shorts. Commission payout, sales limit.
Select physical product. From the drop-down that appears, select the product you just created and then click Save. Now, let's edit the appearance of the page itself by clicking Edit Page.
Okay. It's not bad.
In the page editor, you'll see a list of elements on the left. Find the physical product element under the payment section and drag it onto your page where you want.
Interesting. Interesting. Okay. So I would want it like in there. And I have a choice. I would want it to be above the cart thing. Well, I want it to be inside of it. Right? Cart summary. Like I want it to be there. Yeah, physical product. Yep, right there. Nice, nice, great. Get rid of that row. Oh, wait. Not what I wanted to do. Back up. Hmm. Let's see. Interesting. Maybe I can put it here. Yeah, that works. Quantity. Then I can just go to not that row. Go to this row and delete that entire thing. Yeah, looks better. Not the best. Maybe if I increase that. Now, how does it look on a phone? It's like cart summary, Islamic short size, medium, large, whatever. Price details, sales tax, total. 30-day at home trial. And then the payment information and confirm and pay. Okay, that looks good. Price detail is good. It does have SSL, nice. And this is gonna be 50% of, what's that? 50% of profits go to AIM, to charity, AIM. Then we'll put the link here. $350%, not just 50. We match you times 3. Well, I guess, yeah. And then we'll just copy this and put that here. That looks okay. And then these things are not needed. Cool. Let me save that, and let's see, where is he at?
Want it to appear. This element will automatically display all the information you configured, including the product images, description, and the options for your customer to choose from, like color and size. It makes the entire process incredibly smooth for the buyer. Make sure to save the page before exiting. Once a customer makes a purchase, you can find all the details by going back to the Sales tab and clicking on Orders. Here you can search and filter through all your customer orders.
That's pretty neat. Do we have any orders? No. So buy these shirts to help your local Dawah center. Let's see. Do you want to change that? There was a template I really liked, the color scheme of. So we're going to try and see if we can get those colors. Test. Yeah, it was this one. The colors just like really pop. Beautiful colors. Where do I put the colors for these things? Okay. Text background color, what does that do? Not what I wanted to do. Let me finish the video first.
Remember, System.io is a platform for creating and selling your products, but it does not handle logistics. After a customer completes their payment, you are responsible for the entire fulfillment process, including packaging and shipping the product to your customer. After you fulfill a customer's order, go here and click on Mark Order as Fulfilled. And that's the complete
Interesting.
process for selling physical products with System.io. Hey guys,
Does he have any other useful videos? Create and sell physical, digital files, build a blog, digital store. Okay. That's good. Was it like Poppins or something? Yeah, Poppins. Poppins. And where is the color? So this is the text background color. That's not what we want. You can choose colors here. Okay, that's pretty nice. So let me see. I go to the test page and that's not it. I'll not hit it. How do I get this? What color is this? Is it this one? Yeah, that's the color. That's the color we're looking for. I don't know what it would be in this format though. Yeah. Let's see. I can exit the page. Go to test. Go to edit page. And then it should tell me what color it is. Nice, nice. Yeah, it doesn't look as nice, does it? Let me see if I can't get 0007, huh? That's funny. Okay, this is coming together. Looking nice. Very nice. Okay, what color is this? Just white. Yep. Just white. How does this look? Huh. Oh, that's how it looks, huh? That looks pretty nice. Yeah. I don't get why this is blue. I really don't understand why that is blue and how I can fix it. But overall, the theme is coming together. Slowly but surely. 0007. And I don't mind that grayish background either. And like we'll just slide it a bit, you know, to make it pop out more. Yeah, that looks nice. And then the confirm button, gonna make that a nice popping green. And then the text. Gonna make that. What does that do? Nothing. Kind of make it orange, honestly. I think I might just do that, yeah. Where'd it go? Where did it go? There it is. Okay. Yep, now everything is matching, which is nice. For the hover effect, it should be just a little bit lighter. Yeah, like that.